Summer's heat moved in from the west this week. On Tuesday, 2 Mesonet locations hit the 100-degree mark, Hooker and Beaver. Our statewide map shows the higher band of heat as dark red in the Panhandle. Wednesday, that dark red map band shifted eastward, stretching from the southwest to north-central part of the state. Hollis on Wednesday afternoon had a high of 103. Nearby Altus had 100-degree high. With Mesonet weather sensors, we can go beyond air temperature to learn what the real heat risk is for people and animals. The wet bulb globe temperature is an index that combines air temperature, relative humidity, wind, and sunlight. Those 4 weather variables interact to push the risk of heat illness up or down at any given time of the day. On Wednesday, the maximum wet bulb globe temperature was in the yellow, moderate risk category over most of Oklahoma. There were a few red pockets of high risk, Hollis in the southwest and McCurtain and Pushmataha counties in the southeast. Air temperature was the main driver over Hollis. In the southeast, it was the higher relative humidities and lower wind speeds. Enjoying summer is all about rolling with the heat, staying hydrated, getting acclimated, and knowing when to avoid dangerous extreme heat situations. Here's Gary with a look at drier Oklahoma conditions.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, it was fun while it lasted, but unfortunately, drought is back in Oklahoma. Let's go right to the map and see what we have. We do see that little bit of tan color down in south central Oklahoma and just a smidge down around Hollis in far southwestern Oklahoma. That is moderate drought. It is starting to creep back into the state. You see the yellow colors, that's abnormally dry conditions. That's not drought itself, but that is a precursor to drought. And so from far west central Oklahoma up into Harper and Beaver County, and then up in north central Oklahoma through Osage County, and down there in southeastern Oklahoma, we do see those drought precursor conditions starting to develop. Let's take a look at the rainfall percent of normal maps for the last 30 and 60 days, and you can see what I'm talking about. 30 days, way too much red and orange on there. Sorry, Bedlam fans, those aren't good colors on rainfall maps. Some people did have good rainfalls, up to 200+% of normal from southwestern into southeastern Oklahoma. So this isn't just a 30-day thing. This is starting to last 2 months or longer, and so we do need the last bit of June to kick in before July gets here, because July is usually nasty in Oklahoma. Now, unfortunately, I don't see much rainfall or any drenchers on the horizon. If we take a look at this 8 to 14 day outlook, this is valid for June 21st through the 27th. We see increased odds of below normal precipitation. We've had a lot of wet Junes and Julys, the last bit of June and in July over the last few years, so hopefully something like that will develop. If not, it's brace yourselves, flash drought will be in our minds. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.